Namaskar and good morning. I think you and your family member will be happy and healthy. Today we start exercise 4.3. In this exercise, we know how to find the root of quadratic equation by completing the square, and by applying a quadratic formula. Okay. Now, now in this exercise, we use quadratic formula. So we know what is the quadratic formula. Okay. If b square minus 4ac is greater or equal than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given by minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula for finding the roots of a quadratic equation is called quadratic formula. Okay. This formula for finding the roots of a quadratic equation is known as the quadratic formula. Okay, now we start exercise 4.3. The first question, find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. Okay. The first question, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now see. Solution 1, 1. Given 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, this is the 2 and we know that 2 is not a perfect square. Okay, so we dividing both side by 2. Okay, now we write here both sides, dividing both sides by 2. Okay, if we divide, when we divide this equation by 2, then we get 2 and 2 by 2, that is cancel. It means that x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0, because when 0 is divided by 2, then we get 0. Now see, we have to complete this square. Okay, so here x square, so we write here x square. Here is minus 2 minus, so we applying a formula, the formula, because a square, the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square minus 2a is equal to x, b, we have to find getting 7 by 2. to know how to get 7 by 2, because here 2 and x is present, so we have to find 7 by 2. When we multiply 7 by 4, then we get 7 by 2. 2 2 is 4, so we get 7 by 2 and x. So here we write 2 into x into 7 by 2. Sorry, 7 by 4. Now plus we add 7 by 4 the whole square and also subtract 7 by 4 the whole square, and we write again 3 by 2, that is equal to 0. We add 7 by 4 the whole square and subtract 7 by 4 the whole square, then we get this is 0. So there is no value of 7 by 4 square minus 7 by 4 square. Okay, we write 7 by 4 because here is also getting. Now this is a formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so we write here a minus b the whole square. 7 by plus 7 minus, this is a formula, we get minus 7 4 minus 7 49 plus 16 by 16 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 0, implies x minus 7 by 4 the whole square is equal to minus 49 by 16 goes to the other side, then we get 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2 goes to the other side, then we get minus 3 by 2. Okay, implies x minus 7 by 4 that square is equal to the LCM of 16 and 12 is equal to 16. 16 and 2 is equal to 16. That 16 divided 1 into 49 is equal to 49, minus 16 is divided by 2, then we get 8. 8 into 3, 8 3 is 24. Implies x minus 7 by 4 the whole square is equal to, a square goes to the other side, then we get create a root, and the root is under plus and minus by 25. 49 minus 24 is equal to 25 by 16. Implies x minus 7 4 by 4 is equal to 25, the whole square is equal to plus minus 5 by 4. The square of 25, root under 25 is equal to 5 and root under 16 is equal to 4, implies x minus 7 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 and x minus 7 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4. Implies x is equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4 and x is equal to 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Implies x is equal to LCM for 5 plus 7 and x is equal to LCM for minus 5 plus 7. Implies x is equal to 12 by 4 and x is equal to 2 by 4. Implies x is equal to 4 3 is 12, so x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2 is 4, that is 1 by 2. 4 3 is 12, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Hence, x is equal to 3, 1 by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Answer. Now question number 2. The question number 2 is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Two x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. In this question also on dividing both sides by 2, we get x square plus 1 by 2x minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 0. Implies x square plus 2a and b. The value of b is, we have to getting 1 by 2. So when we multiply 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 2 is 4, then we get 1 by 2. Now plus 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 the whole square is add, and also subtract 1 by 4 the whole square. Okay, here also given 4 by 2, that is equal to 0. Now this is on the formula, that is We write here implies x plus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 1 by 16 minus 4 by 2 that is equal to 0. Implies x plus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 1 by 16 goes to the other side plus 1 by 16 minus 4 by 2 goes to the other side plus 4 by 2 implies x plus 1 by 4 the whole square is equal to 16 is LCM. So 16 1 ja 16 1 plus 2 8 ja 8 4 ja 32 implies x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus minus root under 32 1 33 by 16 implies x plus 1 by 4 is equal to root under 33 by 4 square root of 16 is equal to 4 and x plus 1 by 4 is equal to minus root under 33 by 4 implies x is equal to root under 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and x is equal to minus root under 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4 implies x is equal to LCM is 4 so root under 33 minus 1 and x is equal to LCM is 4 minus root under 33 minus 1 hence x is equal to root under 33 minus 1 by 4 minus root under 33 minus 1 by 4 are the roots of given equation, given quadratic equation. That is our answer. Now question number 3. The third question is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Now in this question, the 4 is a perfect square. Okay. So we cannot we doesn't divide any number in this equation. Okay. So directly we have to write implies 2x the whole square, a square plus 2ab. We have to finding 4 root 3. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So we have to only multiply root 3. So we write here root under 3 plus root 3 the whole square minus root 3 the whole square plus 3, that is equal to 0. Implies this is a formula. So you write here 2x plus root 3 the whole square minus root 3 the whole square is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Implies 2x plus root 3 the whole square minus 3 plus root 3 is equal to 0. So we write here 0. Implies 2x plus root 3, this is a square and square goes as a root under 0, that is meaningless. So we only write here that is equal to 0. Implies 2x is equal to plus root 3, go to the other side, minus root 3. Implies x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So in this question we are getting the value of x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So both roots are same. So right here, hence the roots are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. That is our answer. Okay. The next question, question number 4. Now the question number 4 is 2x square plus x plus 4, that is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 2, that is this is not a perfect square. So by dividing both sides by 2, okay. So we write here dividing both sides by 2, we get x square plus 1 by 2x plus 4 by 2, that is equal to 0. Implies x square plus 2a and b is also right, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus 4 by 2, this number is equal to 0. Now you get a formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 16 plus 4 by 2 equal to 0. Implies x plus 1 by 4 the whole square is equal to minus 1 by 16 goes to the other side, 1 by 16 minus a plus 4 by 2 goes to the other side, minus 4 by 2. Implies x plus 1 by 4 the whole square is equal to LCM is 16. So 1 minus 32. Implies x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus minus root under minus 31 by 16. Now in this question, we are getting root under minus 31. So which is impossible as a square root of negative integer. Okay. So here roots does not exist. Okay. To write here, root under minus 31. So right here, which is impossible as a square root of negative integer. Hence, the roots do not exist. Okay. Now, question number 2. Now, question number 2 say, find the roots of the quadratic equation given in question number 1 above by applying the quadratic equation. It means that the question, there are 4 questions given in question number 1. In these 4 questions we have to solve again by quadratic formula. Okay. So solution 2-1. The first question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 7 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 49 minus 4 to the 16, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24, it is equal to 25. This is greater than 0. So according to the formula, if b square minus 4 is greater or equal than 0, then the root of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to are given by minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we write here so we find you also write the roots alpha and beta. Let roots be alpha and beta. Then alpha is equal to minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is equal to minus b, it means that minus 7 plus the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 25 by 2 into a means 2 is equal to minus plus 7 plus 5 by 4, that is 12 by 4 is equal to 3. Now the second, beta is equal to minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to minus 7 minus root under 25 by 2 into 2 is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4, 2 by 4, 2 and 2, 2 to 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Hence the roots are 3 and 1 by 2. That is our answer. Now the second question. The second question is 2x square plus x minus 4, that is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 4. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4 is equal to 1 minus plus 4 to the 8 to just 16. And 4ac, 4 to that 8 4 that 32. 32 and not 16. So 32 plus 1, 33, that is greater than 0. Let roots be alpha and beta. So alpha is equal to minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to minus 1 plus root under 33 by 2 into 2 is equal to minus 1 plus root under 33 by 4. Beta is equal to minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to minus 1 minus root under 33 by 2 into 2 is equal to minus 1 minus root under 33 by 4. Hence the roots are minus 1 plus root under 33 by 4 and minus 1 minus root under 33 by 4. That is our answer. Question number 3. The third question is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 that is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3. Now 4 root 3 square 4 square 16 and 63 is 48 minus 4 4 is 16 or 16 is 48. Now 48 minus 48 that is equal to 0. Okay. So according to the formula, let roots be alpha and beta. So alpha is equal to minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a equal to minus 4 root 3 plus root under 0 by 2 into 4 is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8, 4 2 is 8, that is minus 3 by minus root 3 by 2. The beta is also same. Beta is equal to minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to minus 4 root 3 minus root under 0 by 2 into 4 is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8, 4 2 is 8, that is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Hence roots are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. That is our answer. Now the question number 4 is 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 4. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 the square minus 4 into 2 into 4. That is 1 minus 4 4 is 16 to 32. 1 minus 30, that is minus 31. This is less than 0. In condition, we have to finding the roots. First, b square minus 4ac is greater or equal than 0, but here b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So roots are not possible. Hence roots are not possible. Okay, that's all. Thank you.